It's broken.
Oh, it hurts. It was my fault. It was very heavy and I tried to pick it up. I should have rolled it instead. It still hurts so much. Someone's there. I better go. I'm coming. What's the matter? What's going on, Mr. Truck?
I was busy moving some blocks when it happened. Can you load more this time? Sure, no problem. It's done. You full now. No, it's not enough. Load more. All right, as you wish. That's great. Good job. It's quite heavy. Here we go. A little more. Oh no! It broke. My back. Oh no! It's broken. I need to go to the workshop immediately.
It's a serious matter. It's a good thing you came here. Let me think how I can fix this. I need my hammer. We need to hit them into place. Now I need to tighten up the joints. I need my automatic screwdriver. Here we go. Whew. Now I need my oil. There we go. You're like brand new now. And here we go. Take this oil with you.
Don't forget to fill up your gas tank.
you have more than enough gasoline you need for your journey. And remember, don't rush to get back to work. Take it easy.
Thank you for your help. And goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Truck. And as for you, don't forget to take it easy. And see you next time. Bye-bye.